Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. To all my YouTubers out there, I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I upload a video. And I would like for you guys to leave a comment below if you like the video series I'm doing. This is a 6-part video series about websites you can use to earn some extra cash. Okay, I decided to do this just because, I work out on a lot of sites, and mostly I was working on survey sites. And the sites I'm talking about to you guys today are sites that have a low minimum cash out of $1. And if you add that up, I have talked about a lot of sites. I can look on my paper here because I wrote it down. So let's see here. There's 10 websites I talked about in this series altogether. 10 websites that has a minimum low cash out of $1. The lowest one on here is 7 cents. Okay, one of the sites I talked about on here was the lowest cash out was 7 cents. I don't know if you guys remember which one that was, but you'll remember if you got to watch part one. Part one, I talk about the lowest minimum cash out for the very first website I talked about in the part one series is the lowest minimum cash out of 7 cents. That is crazy, you guys. Okay, so with these last 4 websites, this is the conclusion to the series. This is part 6 of the series, and let's get into the video. So the first video for the part 6 series we're going to talk about today is Earn Doing. Earn Doing is another get paid to site. You guys already know what you have to do. You just basically come on here, register for your account, you log in, and you start doing what it is the stuff that you want to do to earn money. Okay, so you guys can. This is another get paid to site. You get paid to watch videos, take surveys, do trial offers, click. You get paid to click on ads, and the minimum cash out for Earn Doing is $1. Okay, I believe you have to get 1,000 points or something like that, $1 basically, and you get to cash out. And once you get $1, you cash out $1. I don't, like I said, I haven't used this site in a long time. I don't know. I forgot what the point system was, but I believe it's $1. And so you cash out at $1. It's the lowest amount. Okay. And you guys should really take into account when I talk about these sites, because I really would like for you guys to go and do your research on YouTube before you sign up, because you can take my word for it and sign up. I know you guys trust what I'm saying, but do your research on the site. You may not it might, honestly, you guys that, some of you might not want to make $1. You might want to make more. So there are other sites you guys can sign up on that I do personally, that you can get $10, even $50. You guys don't have to, you know, take my word for it. Just do your research on YouTube, okay? But like I said, for those of you that are interested in earning cash, no matter how low the amount, you know that it adds up. Every penny counts, and dollars make sense. So here we are. So this is Earn Doing, and that is what we talk about on my series here. We talk about websites that you can use that can earn you some extra PayPal cash. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I've been working online since 2014, and I could have used these sites a long time ago. So, I found out about these sites like beginning of last year, and I'm very, very, very grateful that I did, because, you know, $1 adds up. If you count how many sites I talked about that have a low minimum cash out of $1, you can be making a lot of money with that. So, the second site we're going to talk about is Points to Shop. Don't know if you guys heard about it, but I've heard about it tons of times. Never really looked into it, but it's a good site. Okay, and you sign up for free, and you can earn just by taking surveys, watching videos, doing tons of things on the site. And right now we're going to watch a short video that talks a little bit about how Points to Shop works. So that was just a little preview of what Points to Shop has to offer. Like I said, these are get paid to sites. GPT, you basically get paid to watch videos, do surveys, do trial offers, do take, offers and clicks and all that. So you guys really should take advantage of these sites. They really are fun to do and to talk about and just share with other people. So we're going to get into the next site we have here. It's called Dollars Hunt. And I talked about this a while ago, like I think it's been a couple of days ago actually. I signed up with this. And Dollars Hunt, well, Points to Shop. Sorry, let's get back to Points to Shop. I forgot one small detail. It's $1 to cash out on Points to Shop. Okay, so that's the one detail I did forget. I'm sorry, I apologize. $1 to cash out, and you guys can, $1 to cash out to PayPal, and so now we're gonna get into Dollars Hunts. And Dollars Hunts cash out is $2. The minimum cash out on here is $2. Like I said, haven't been on the site in a while. Been stuck doing other stuff. I do a lot of stuff online. I told you guys I'm not just a survey taker. I do millions of other things. That's why I put that stuff on my YouTube channel so you guys can see what I do, so you can get an insight on the things that I do to make money, so you guys can, instill that in your own life and your own way of making money online. Okay, so Dollars Hunts is another get paid to site. Like I said, you get paid to do trial offers, surveys, watch videos. You click on websites, surf the web, whatever they have you do, and you get points. And once you get up to a certain amount of points, you get to cash them out. So once you make up to $2 on here, you get to cash out $2, and it goes straight to your PayPal. Okay, and the last website we're going to talk about today is called Dollars Clicks. Same exact thing. This is another get paid to site. You get paid to do the same exact thing. Remember what I said? Please, guys, keep this in mind. Refresh your history, clear your cookies before going on to a next site. You need to do that, because what I learned is if you do not do that, if you go, like let's say I sign into Dollars Clicks right now. If I go and sign into Dollars Clicks and I clear my history, it's going to sign me out. So understand that you need to make sure you're doing that, because you do not want to be blocked from being able to do certain things on certain get paid to sites. So you need to make sure, because it'll show that you already did it on that other site, and it'll keep you from doing it. So clear your history first before you go on any get paid to site. If you're on one, clear your history, sign out of that one, and go to another one, and then and start doing what you want to do. Okay? So this is a really good site. Dollars Clicks. The minimum cash out is $1, and I really like this because like I said, it's fun. I have fun with these sites because I'm able to help you guys out. I'm able to tell you guys about help you guys make money online. And so let's watch a quick video here. Okay, you guys, that's all we have for today. I hope you guys like these videos. This is part 6, the conclusion to websites you can use to make some extra cash. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload a video.